Hi everyone, and welcome to your very first lesson for Middle School Pre-Algebra 1. My name is Miss Potts and I'm going to be your teacher this year for your math class. Please note right over here, live classes will be held every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 8 o'clock in the morning. I know a lot of you might be thinking, wow, that is really early. I'm probably not going to even be awake by then. But please, I would encourage you to come to every single live class, and I promise that it will be a great way to start your day because I want to see all of you there in attendance so that we can learn and grow together throughout the year. In this lesson, we are going to focus on having a teacher introduction. We're going to be learning a little bit about what middle school pre-algebra is going to be all about this year, along with a brief course orientation. So without any further ado, I will introduce myself to you. Like I said, my name is Miss Potts. I know that some of you might already know who I am, but for those of you who do not know who I am, this is my 5th year at Achievement House Cyber Charter School, and I'm hoping that this year is going to be the best yet. Notice there on the screen, all of my contact information is provided for you. All of my phone numbers, my instant messaging ID, my email, and when I will be in Cyber Cafe. I would encourage you to contact me in any way, shape, or form that works best for you because I would love to hear from you and make sure that we are keeping that line of communication open throughout the entire year. All of this contact information is also listed on the left-hand side of the Middle School Pre-Algebra 1 page as well. Now that you know a little bit about me and where you can find my contact information, let's talk specifically about Middle School Pre-Algebra 1. Middle School Pre-Algebra 1 is a course that is designed to cultivate your mathematical understanding and competency through the study of number theory. So topics such as fractional multiplication, division, percentages, and rates. We're going to really be focusing on problem solving, higher order thinking, and showing that you understand all the computations of algebra. To get a more specific idea of exactly what we're going to be going over in Middle School Pre-Algebra 1, please take a look at the course syllabus that is located on the Middle School Pre-Algebra page, and I will show you where that is located shortly once we go through the course orientation, which is where we are now. We're going to move on to looking at what Middle School Pre-Algebra 1 course page is all about. Obviously, you came to this landing page when you got into Middle School Pre-Algebra 1 and clicked on this lesson link, but for those of you who this might be your first year here, I want to go over this with everybody in detail. Like I said, on the left-hand side, you can see all of my contact information that is there for you at all times. So I'd encourage you to, if you need to get a hold of me, go to the Middle School Pre-Algebra page so that you can look that up. Also, you'll see that you have 2 buttons that are provided to you this year. One that will allow you to jump to the current pod, which will come in very handy as we go through the year, and you have a lot of pods to sort through. You can just click on that button and it will take you straight to the pod that we're currently in, along with a button that will take you directly to your gradebook, which I think is going to be wonderful for a lot of you. Below that are announcements. In all of your classes, you're going to have announcements from your teachers. So make sure you're checking that on a daily basis because it might change every day, might change every week, or it might only change once a pod. But it'll be very important for you to make sure that you're keeping that communication with your teachers by checking those announcements every day. Below those announcements, you will see documents that I have provided for all of you as resources. There's a welcome letter that I would encourage you to read that I wrote for each and every one of you. Below that is the Middle School Pre-Algebra 1 syllabus that I was speaking about earlier. Check that out. You will see in detail everything that we're going to be going over this year. My contact information is also there as well. Below that are resources that you can use in preparing for the PSSAs. You don't just have to prepare for the PSSAs a week or two before they come. Let's start now. So I provided all of these resources for you so that you can start looking at that and utilizing those resources at the beginning of the year. Below the course landing page and below all of the documents that I provided, you will then see the link that is posted for you to get into live class. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 8 a.m., all you have to do is click on that link that is provided and join the session. This year, you don't have a bunch of class links that you need to find and sign into. There's just one that you need to click on, and it will take you straight to me and the lesson that we're going over that day. Also, please notice that every week is broken down into topics. Obviously, this week we're focusing on MAPS testing, completing your math, reading, and science MAP assessments, along with completing an introduction to middle school Pre-Algebra 1. So let's take a look at what that is all about. Once you complete this video, answer the questions that correspond with it. If you notice that beside each of the assignment or lesson titles, there is a suggested due date for you. We put those there to help you stay organized and to manage your time effectively. So, on September 4th, you should be watching the lesson called Finding Success in my math class. On that same day, you should be completing an assignment that is called All About You. All you have to do is click on those links. The lessons are very similar to what you're experiencing now. Your homework assignments are ones that you're going to either have to complete in a quiz format or scan and upload them, or a lesson in Moodle that will take you step by step through it. If you have any questions regarding lessons, assignments, quizzes, and end-of-pod assessments, please do not hesitate to contact me directly. We're at the end of our lesson for today, so let's recap on what we went over. We have gone over my contact information. We've talked about what exactly we're going to be covering in middle school Pre-Algebra 1, along with a brief course orientation on how to navigate through middle school Pre-Algebra 1. As a wrap-up, I would like all of you to answer the questions below, submit them, and receive credit for your very first lesson in middle school Math 1. And I hope that you all have a great rest of the week, and I will see you in live class on Wednesday. Thank you. See you guys.